We can also solve word problems with inequalities. Let's look at this one. If 10 is added to 2 times any number in a certain set of numbers, the result is greater than 4 times the same number. So what is the set of numbers? Well, the first thing you need to do, just like a word problem that involves an equation, is set this inequality up. That's the hardest part and the main key. So once you do that, it's pretty easy. So if 10 is added to 2 times any number, okay, so we know we're going to be adding 10. So let's just put a plus 10 here. Plus 10, it's going to be added to 2 times any number in a set of numbers. So that just means a variable. We don't know that number. So it's going to be represented by x. Let's just use the x variable. So it's 2 times x, so it's 2x. And we know that 10 was being added to it, so we'll put 2x in front. Okay, so we got the first part of the inequality. That's the first expression. What's the second one? Okay, so the result of that is greater than 4 times the same number. So 4 times x. So, and it says greater, we don't put an equal sign, we put an alligator eating the larger expression. They say that this is the larger expression, so let's make the alligator eating this side. 4 times x. So now we've written it out. All we have to do is isolate the variable. So let's go ahead, and the easiest thing here would be to subtract this term, 2x, from each side. So rewrite it. 10 is greater than 2x over here. Now divide each side by 2, and that becomes 5 is greater than x. Or you could write it, if you want to read it from x first, x is smaller or less than 5. They're the same things. It's just easier to read that way. So we know that the set of numbers is going to be, you can write it with braces too. X is the set equals all numbers that are smaller than 5. So 4 is 1, 3, 2, and so on. And there you figured it out.